Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets. Brown color, red color, blue color. The next one is black color, yellow color, and the last one is green color. Now we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw A and use brown color. First we use brown color. Now we draw A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw B. The next one is C. C for cat, C for cow. The next one is D. D for doll. We again use brown color. Kids, the next one is E, and now we use blue color. Now we use blue color. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. Now we draw H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K and use black color. Now we use black color. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion. Now we draw M. M for moon. And the next one is N. N for nest. Kids, now we draw O. O for orange. The next one is P. Now we use red color. Red color. Now we draw P. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Kids, we again use red color, and now we draw R. R for rose. The next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw T and use yellow color. T for tiger. Yellow color. Now we draw T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we draw V. V for van. And the next one is W. W for wolf. Kids, now we draw W. Now we use green color. X. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo. So kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.